What up, my peep? Coming at you again with another episode of marketing in the car, the van, the moving vehicle that you drive to work. It's your boy Ramaya, and I just kind of want to talk about systems a little bit, systems and processes. You don't really hear small business owners or entrepreneurs talking about systems too much, because number one, it's not the sexy stuff, you know. It's kind of boring to talk about, but it's the stuff that makes your business kind of like fly on autopilot. It's the stuff that makes your business makes it easy. You know what I'm saying? So like a system is a systemized way of doing something. It's how you do a certain part of your operation. You know, so let's say for instance, the basic overall of every business is you got to get customers, you know, so you have to have a method of getting customers or getting leads, people interested. So you have to attract people. Then once you attract them, you have to convert them into customers. And then once you convert them into customers, you got to have a way of getting paid, okay? And then once you get paid, you have to have a delivery method. You know, how do you deliver your product? And then there's other stuff. You know, there's customer service, there's building teams, there's methods of kind of like tracking, you know. But I'm gonna just talk about like one of those systems. You know, one of the systems is an attraction system. What is the system that you use to get business on a consistent basis? You know what I'm saying? Like, what method do you use that's going to automatically bring in, you know, 3, 4, 5 new customers every single week? If you have a service business, or, you know, if you're selling a product, what's going to get 20 people to buy that shirt every single day? You know, so that's your attraction system. One of my systems is these marketing videos. I've decided that, hey, when I'm driving in the car, I'm going to talk about some aspect of the business that's got my attention, that I'm focused on, that I'm studying, that maybe somebody talked about and we realize is a problem, or just whatever I'm thinking about that day. So you kind of getting a little bit of my mindset, what's going on in my mind. And so it may not be every day, but it's in the mornings and it's on my commute to the office, because I'm sitting in this traffic. I'm normally listening to podcasts, audio books anyway, so I might as well use this time to create content. So that's a system. And then once I finish recording this video, I have a systemized way of doing the edits. I put it into a program. It's already linked up to the last video that I did, so I can easily just change the text and, you know, my descriptions or whatever. And I can change the music if I want to. I don't have to change the music, because I don't know if y'all care if the music is the same. It's just a little vibe, you know what I'm saying? And then it's done. So it's real simple, it's real easy, because I made it a system. I made it a process. Systems and processes, they kind of like go together. It's just a way that you do things. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how we do it. We start here, we do this next. So you have to have an attraction system. And your attraction system is basically your marketing. It can be multiple things. So you can have multiple ways that you attract business, but what you want to do is you want to monitor, and you want to see what's working. So that's another system that you would have, a system of like checking the data. You know, does this ad work? Does this type of ad work? Is it Facebook marketing? Should I post more on Instagram? Should I do more email blasts? You know, do I need to attend more networking events? You know, you see what's working, and then you do that. You keep doing that because it works. And somebody trying to get through. Let me let her through right quick. You're welcome. How you doing? Yeah, so that's systems. Okay. We don't talk too much about systems, but it's very needed and it's very necessary if you want to grow your business and if you want to scale your business. And also, if you want to be able to delegate, you have to have a system. So now you have what's called a standard operating procedure that is step by step, line by line. You can pass it to somebody else and somebody else can do it. You know, you created it, but then somebody else can do it. That's how you really, really grow your business. Once you have processes set in place to where it doesn't matter who's working for you or doing work for you, it's always done the same way. And so your customers don't feel unappreciated. Your customers don't feel slighted, because I might build a website for you, but then my team builds a website for the next person. But if you look at them side by side, you can't tell that they were done by different people, because we have a system. We have a way of doing it. Everything we do is freaking amazing, real talk. So I think that's it, though. That's it about systems. If you want to learn more about systems, let me know. I'm actually doing a workshop. I'm going to do a series of workshops where I'm going to be talking about systems, strategies, and tools for six-figure businesses to help you to scale your business to six figures, or if you're already at six figures, to help you go beyond that. If you're interested, if you want me to mentor you and coach you on some of those things, let me know. Probably going to put a link in my bio at some point. It might not be there right now today, but if it's not there, just shoot me a DM and just say, hey, Remiah, be my mentor, and we'll make that thing happen. All right? Be freaking amazing. I love all y'all. Y'all have a freaking amazing day. All right? Peace.